Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on a beautiful day checking out this 2026 Yamaha 222XD. We got it in that stunning slate blue color scheme with that nice brown interior for contrast. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. All right, welcome aboard guys. So you can see we're up here in the bow of this Yamaha 222XD, really showing off the brown interior up here, right? And you do have storage underneath each of these seats up here in the bow. And you can see the notches right here. You'll have your bow filler cushion to form a full sun pad up here in the bow if you wanted to lounge, maybe sunbathe, nice hangout spot if you're out at the sandbar. And underneath me right here is your dedicated anchor storage with your bow ladder. So once you drop that ladder in the water, you can close this hatch back up and you'll have this swim step platform with the sea deck on there. We'll start to make our way towards the back to the cockpit, and I'll show off your ski locker here. That is where your main center ballast bag is held. So when you're going to fill that up, you'll have to remove any toys you have in there. Then over here on the starboard side, you have your wind dam door, as well as some storage under the helm there. We'll open up the port side door so you can see your hideaway trash can, and that's where you'll be able to store things like your tables on board. And then moving back behind the windshield, over here on the port side, you've got a spot with a wireless charger that'll hold your phone even while the boat's underway, and then a second little carrier on the side there. Right below that is the glove box. You can store anything to keep dry while you're out on the water, and another smaller box down below. Take a quick look over here at the helm. So this is the XD, so you're gonna have these paddles from Yamaha. That's their drive system, which gives you an easy way to maneuver this boat at low speeds. You've also got your Aqua Amp wireless cell phone charger and mount, and then your Yamaha Connect screen, nice and big, offset to the right to make room for full visibility. I'll turn around, you guys can see we're getting plenty of shade from our canopy on top of this sports tower. So you've got your anchor light and a second tow point up here when you're pulling a surfboard or a wakeboarder. Also mounting your 2 Hertz speakers and these PTM wakeboard racks. You can see you got plenty of seating space in the cockpit back here, and it'll lead you right on out to the swim platform where you've got 2 more of those Hertz speakers and nice seating for when you're hanging out, anchored up at the sandbar, having a picnic, something of the sorts. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other Yamahas we have here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.